She's gonna
She gonna eat the hair.
Is it coming off?
Yes,
Sorry to take it off.
Oh, then you have dog slobber and that.
Do you have a wash rag?
Right
Yeah.
here. You want the dog to take it off?
No, that's disgusting.
Yeah, I'll get you a wash rag, honey.
Clay!
Well, Destiny's in there. Is Destiny in the bathroom?
Yeah, that's our job.
So you can use paper towels over there. She's in the tub. The washcloths are in the bathroom.
Oh, I can use that to wash my hair.
I can't.
No, you can take a shower, but she's in there right now.
I just
Hey,
want to
we'll
flip
do
my
it.
head over.
Quick,
Like she is too.
I can't get
Sarge.
in the shower because I have my horns.
Your pants are wet.
Come here.
You can put your
Sarge.
shirts on, but your pants are still damp.
Well, she's like eating his hair. She's like, let me get it out.
She literally gonna
Look
get
here.
in cold.
Sarge.
Johnny,
Come here.
what are you doing, bud?
She's eating my hair.
I know.
Uh,
You done with it?
yeah, it's like